mic down. Gotta get used to this stuff. My first journal entry, doing it by video blog. And I'm not one for typing out things. Yes, I can do document typing, this and that, blah, blah, blah. But you know what? That's getting boring. We're up in a future age and everything that we need to move on where people don't want to sit and read stuff. So I've decided to incorporate a little better idea of doing some video blogging, journaling, whatever you want to call it. And this is my first one. I've also found something else that I'll show on this video, how to do and get it and everything, and it's called video capture. Instead of having to do screen capture and all of that, well, you can do just record your computer screen and show how you're doing the work and everything. So I'm going to get off of my webcam here a minute just because of processor speed and everything. I don't need to have several things running. What I'm going to do is, here's my using my webcam, I'm recording myself. I can also use the video capture and capture the video. Then I will combine the two in Adobe Premiere and put the two together. So I'm leaving my webcam now, and you'll see me back in just a minute. Okay, now I'm on my video capture here, and as you can see, my whole desktop is up here and everything. And I could open up Internet Explorer. Give this a few seconds to open up here. There we go. Remember, I am running processor speed. Let me turn off my Twitter here. Let's close that. And somewhere here, forget it. Anyway, you might hear my Twitter pop off every now and then. But I got my Google page. I can go to my WetPaint site, and I'll sign into WetPaint. There we go, my WetPaint sites. Just to show you around my WetPaint and everything. When you come to my home page, it's cowboy@wetpaint.com. You can use this sidebar and everything, but I try to set up my home page to where it's pretty up to date and everything. Here, if you go to my current semester, as of right now, I'm in the spring. I'm taking 2 classes. One is Broadcasting Graphics, which uses Adobe Premiere, and I'll probably be adding After Effects over here also, because I forget that I'm going to be learning that here in just a little bit. But over in Graphics Design and Production Process, I've got Adobe Illustrator and Adobe InDesign. Now if you click on here, it's going to give you the same 2 options as here, only on a different screen, but I'm going to go directly over to Adobe Premiere because that's what I'm working in, and that's what I'm going to show you for this class. Over here is my journal entries, which is where you'll find these video blogs. Over here you'll find any lab projects that I do in class, or you'll see my actual projects, which take like 2 or 3 weeks or whatever the assignment gives me. I just click right on the picture or the words and it'll take me there. This week in class we learned how to do not only adding pictures to video and stuff, but now how to import motion picture into it. So, and I'll just show a little bit of it here. Alright, and there's what I did right in class. I can actually record what I'm doing in class. I didn't take the time to do that this time, but we all went over that in class. And from now on, as I do my next project, you'll be able to see how I actually do the project and stuff while I'm doing it. So, and of course I have to upload this stuff to YouTube and then embed it into my WetPaint site here and everything. So that's basically it. If you want to find this software, of course, if you've got a webcam on your computer, then you, like me, I go to my desktop here, show my desktop, and my webcam is right here. I just click on it, and the software is usually installed for the computer. So, myself now, and I can also record what I'm doing on the video capture screen and everything. So, and I'll stop my webcam. I'll even try something here of putting it in picture-in-picture if this works out. And I'll stop my webcam. I'll even try something here of putting it in picture-in-picture if this works out good. So, I'm going back. I'm going to shut off my webcam here now. But your webcam comes with your computer. If you're interested in finding the software for this stuff, all I did was I went to Google and I typed in free because I was looking for a free software product. Video capture is what I'm looking for. And I have here free video capture software. But also I noticed down when I was looking, I had to narrow it down. I also wanted to make sure it was compatible with Windows 7 because I'm running Windows 7 operating system. It's a newer system, so I want to make sure it's up to date and compatible with it. I do a Google search for it, and I look through some of these things, and one of the ones I found was at download.cnet.com, Windows Video Capture. I went to it. I think this was the one that I downloaded. Okay, they have Camtasia. Okay, some of this stuff they'll want you to buy it and everything. I got to this website, and again, it gave me all the software and everything, but like I said, I want it to be free, so I clicked on free, narrowed the search to all the free products, Cam Studio, Debut Software, Moi, and I also made sure that it's compatible with Windows 7, narrow the search down, so I'm now Windows 7 and free. And I just clicked on this Debut Video Recording Software. It's compatible and it's free. It's an open source software. I downloaded it, I installed it, and now I can record my screen just like you're watching. Thanks for watching. Have a good week, day, whatever you're doing. I'll see you next time. I'm going to down here now to stop my recording, and goodbye.